If you're watching this video, you're probably among millions of people who needlessly suffer from knee pain, elbow pain, foot pain, shoulder pain, peripheral neuropathy, joint pain from arthritis, and many other conditions. Unfortunately, those who suffer from these problems have had virtually no options to relieve or fix these issues. Many people try over-the-counter pain relievers and expensive prescription medicines that do not fix the problem and may only offer some temporary relief with sometimes devastating side effects. Some people are recommended surgeries that are risky, expensive, painful, and may or may not fix the issue. Even worse, some are told by their doctors there is nothing that can be done and are left to suffer every day without any good options. The good news is, there is a growing field in healthcare called regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine has already been responsible for helping hundreds of thousands of patients with these types of conditions while preventing countless numbers of surgeries. Regenerative medicine is the rapidly advancing area of medicine that has the ability in many cases to help repair injured and damaged tissue in the body that was not possible before. The types of regenerative medicine used in this office are regenerative tissue such as umbilical cord tissue, umbilical cord blood, amniotic fluid, and amniotic membrane. These types of regenerative tissues are a next-generation, non-surgical, minimally invasive treatment that uses the human body's own ability to heal, repair, and regrow tissue. Regenerative medicine brings hope and possibilities that were not available before. That's right, finally, there is hope to actually fix your problem. We do this by using the healing and growth components along with mesenchymal stem cells that helped you develop and heal from when you were born until fully matured. These same components that helped you develop, grow, and heal are found in the regenerative tissues we use. Mesenchymal stem cells are your body's master cells. The reason why they are sometimes called master cells is because mesenchymal stem cells are multipotent. What multipotent means is that these types of stem cells can develop into more than one cell type. So if you have a joint problem, they can become joint cells and fix your joint. If you have a tendon problem, they can become tendon cells and fix your tendon, as well as cartilage, muscle, ligament, or other types of cells needed to fix your area of pain or injury. One of the reasons your body may not be repairing itself is, as we age, the number of mesenchymal stem cells in our body decreases. When we are born, we have around one of these mesenchymal stem cells for every 10,000 cells. As we get older, the percentage of mesenchymal stem cells to other cells decreases. As percentages decrease, it gets harder and harder for your body to repair itself. It is harder because mesenchymal stem cells are what help our body repair injuries. If we have less mesenchymal stem cells, then we have less healing potential. This may be why your body does not heal or respond to treatments the way it did when you were younger. When you get to be age 50, your ratio could be as low as 400,000 cells to every one mesenchymal stem cell. That is a 40-to-1 decrease, meaning your body has 40 times less healing potential as it did when you were born. At age 80, it could be 2 million cells to every one mesenchymal stem cell. That means 200 times less healing potential than when you were born. The procedure is simple. Our medical professional will inject the regenerative tissues right into your area of pain or injury. The mesenchymal stem cells, as well as the other healing and growth factors injected, are as powerful and concentrated as they were when you were a child. This helps give you back the healing and repair power of your youth. Stop suffering. Be able to do things you have not done in years. Live again with little or no pain. There's now a better option. Thank you for watching this video. If you or someone you know are tired of dealing with pain or other problems that these regenerative tissues may help and would like to find a solution, we are happy to offer you a free consultation to see if it might be right for you.